So today is vlog number 1, and I got something planned out for you guys. As you can see, I actually just woke up. Let's see what the time is. So I just woke up. Now look what the time is. It's 12:13. So I slept for ages. I need to eat some lunch. Maybe I won't eat lunch because I'm not that hungry. But today we're gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna shoot some videos, and at the night we're gonna do squid fishing. It's gonna be a great day, guys. But I can't leave like this. I gotta leave like this. Yeah, so I'm all ready to go. As you can see, you can't see anything. What am I saying? I'm getting used to this vlogging thing. I've done it before. But the only stand I have is this one, this tripod you're on. But I'm thinking of getting a GorillaPod maybe, because it's stable. You can wrap it around. So let's go. But first of all, we need to pack our things. We need bag. We need watch. Other camera. Wallet. Phone. Earphones. We're good to go.
Cooking soda, babe.
Do you guys have GorillaPods? It's a tripod for a camera.
Tripod for camera?
We were unlucky. So sad. We were so unlucky. They said they were sold out, which means that they did have it, because they said they were sold out. But Dad, when I said GorillaPod, she's like, what? And I'm like, tripod, and she's like, oh. So I think she just said it was sold out because she doesn't even know what it is. What type of car is that? Oh, that's weird. Yeah, Dad, do you know, if you have a camera and you're like recording yourself, people think you're famous? It's funny. It's really funny. So you're on the streets and you're just like, hey. And everyone's like, can I have your signature just in case? Oh man, we're going to another store. It's right around the corner there. But I hope it's there. Fingers crossed, please. I hope it's there. Oh, guys. We went to the shop and we're just so unlucky today because we got it, boys. We got it. Thank you, Dad. Thank you. We got the tripod. I'll take you guys off the tripod and let's see and let's discuss about this thing. Okay, here it is. Oh god. Here's a tripod. It's Gorilla. Why is it called Gorilla? That's racist. It's black. So, man, this is... And the cool thing about these tripods is you can wrap these tripods around trees. So, or you can just put them anywhere. So that's the cool thing about it. And it's just so stable. So, let's put you guys back on this tripod, bro. I could legit put you guys on the top of the car right now. That's how stable this thing is. I hope it's that stable. Now you guys are on the tripod. Yeah, let's try put you guys on. Oh, yes. Oh, turn on. Your phone's ringing. Dun, 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 dun. I like this song. It's so chill. Let's try put you guys just on here. Oh, you just put you guys on the car. Oh, it's like, it's cool as. And the other cool.
근데 그게 왜 어떻게 부서졌어?
어?
그럼 어떻게 부서졌냐고.
Whose?
윤혁이가 윤건이가 어떻게 부셔 그래?
잡다가 이렇게 스윙해가지고 떨어졌어요.
그렇다고 부서져? 똑같은 거야?
응?
똑같은 거였어?
So we were gonna go fishing over there. That wharf over there. But also we are gonna do it there. Are we gonna go to the wharf?
몰라. 가보게 한 거야.
So we're just gonna walk there and see how it's going. But if it's not great, we might go to the secret wharf we found years ago. But let's go check it out then.
아우 바람 너무 많이 분다.
그래도 비디오만 찍 지금. Oh, there's heaps of people out here. Let's just keep walking first. Damn, it's wavy. It's really windy. Very windy, hey Dan. I don't think we can go fishing today. Can we go squid fishing though?
저쪽에서 저리 던지면 되겠는데. 하나만 던져볼까?
There's weed inside there. The weed. Who can live without weed, bro? Fish need weed as well. That's why God made seaweed. Yeah. Oh, what is that? He's riding some motorcycle thingy. What is that? Well, that looks fun.
Not so fast.
Damn, that's sick. There's heaps of wind. Oh my god. Wait, I just want to see what's down these stairs. Oh! Nah. Not today, boys. Not today. Which way is the wind going? So much wind. And I put on my jumper first. Oh my god. Oh, it's cold. The wind's going that way, so I should vlog this way. So you could hear my voice more clearly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nah, you can't fish here. There's too much wind. Oh my god. What? There's plants growing. And then the sea right there. There's just a wall. Oh. Nah, let's just shoot some videos and let's go home. What is it? Well, that must be the thing where they put the rope around on the boat. This is a good sea. It's not a bad sea, guys. It's not a bad sea. It's like a toilet. It's like, Wait, what are you doing, seagull? That seagull right there. Just trying to take my camera. Now we can't do fishing again. Dad, can we go to the wharf?
워프도 막 하는 거 같은데?
Really?
오렌지 띵이 보이잖아 지금.
So right now I'm shooting my first time lapse. Look at that seagull. Seagull for days. Anyways. Far out. Whoa. My camera nearly fell right now. It was like, whoa. If this strap gets in the way, we're starting. 아니 나 지금 아빠 낚시하는 거 찍고 있어. The strap is so annoying. Can I get it on this once more? Yes. Yes. I did it. Okay. Oh, my dad's just gonna sit here. Okay then. Oh, my camera keeps moving. Where should I record? Or should I go all the way out there and just sit there and record? I don't know, I'm trying to do my best. It's my first time. Or should I zoom into something? Yeah, this doesn't look bad. If you can see it. Well, it's zoomed. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. It's pretty cool. Oh, Dad, is it cold?
What?
Is it cold?
No.
Because you're sitting down there. It's like blocking all the coldness. Oh, a ferry's going past. A ferry. What do I do? Should I sleep? I don't know. Should I sleep? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what to do right now. My dad's just fishing. There's multiple people fishing. So if you guys don't know, it's 2:35 right now, and we came here at around 1, so it's been quite a while. So the bait my dad uses is pilchard. It smells disgusting.
Well, tastes good. Very good.
And then there's this liquid thing. He just squishes into the body. Or in the mouth. Look at that fish. Poor little fishy. Oh yeah, here it is.
Injection.
He just squishes it in the mouth. It's like, oh. Wasn't it working? Look at that. It's like pus. And that attracts fish, which is disgusting. Look at all these hooks. Wow, this red one looks good. I'll put it back. I'm so bored, what should I do? Yeah, look at this pilchard. Poor little fishy. Yeah, what should we do? My dad just caught a fish. Hey!
Kawaii.
Woo!
Cookie soda babe.
Guys, I just woke up from a nap. I just woke up from a nap right now. It's currently 4:45 and we're still here. We came at 1. Come on, this is for the sunset scenery.
Babe. Cookie soda babe.
Okay guys, I'm still recording the time lapse, but I changed it to this angle now. But there's these two seagulls here. They're full for anything. So look at this. I'm gonna pretend I'm getting a fish out of the box and I'm gonna throw it to them, okay? Look, check this out. Okay. Oh. Oh. What are you doing? Racism. Black bird, white bird. Black bird, white bird. So guys, right now my dad caught a starfish. Actually, and this arm over here, I accidentally ripped it off. Ooh. But just look at this thing. There's like spikes on it. Oh, you see the tentacles. Look at the tentacles. Oh, bro. Oh, God. It stings, bro. It stings. Oh. So right now, I just went to the toilet. Hey, it's Seagull. Let's zoom up on his face. Hey. Anyways. I went toilet over there, but while I went toilet, my dad caught 2 fishes. So we caught. Oh, let's get rid of this wind. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, this is loud. Okay. Oh. Okay. During 3 hours, my dad caught 1 fish. But during like 2 minutes, he caught 2. What does that mean? Okay. Let's just do some bottle flips all right there. Oh, that was fail.
Make the ground shake.
So it was a big day. It was a very long day. 5 hours of sitting down next to a bench. Yeah, that was fun, bro. That was fun. This guy just came back from basketball practice, and yeah, I'm just gonna finish the vlog here today. So yeah.
What is that?
What should I say at the end? I should go like, good day, good day.
Say,
Something like, something that starts with D all the time.
Noodle. No.
Done. Oh, done for that day. Done for the day. Hey, that's cool. Done for the day, guys. Later.